right, so the first thing I need to do today is our team email. One of our teammates had her email hacked, and that was 7 days ago, and we are still having issues with getting GoDaddy to get where we can send out emails. So I'm the one stepping up today to deal with this and try to get this fixed. So hopefully I can do something. Tracy on our team has been trying to deal with it, and they're just going around in circles with her. So I'm going to kick some butts and see what we can do. Hopefully we can get this fixed, because we, just like any small business, you need your email. And it's unacceptable that it's taken 7 days for them to fix email for something that probably happens 100 times a day. So let's see how this goes. All right. So my GoDaddy adventure so far is I have been on the phone for 58 minutes and 53 seconds, and I have yet to talk to a person who can actually do anything. So the first person I talked to was entry-level IT in the Philippines, and he at first didn't even want to transfer me to another person, saying it's already been escalated, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, well, can I talk to somebody in the U.S.? And he finally goes, says that he had to fight to get me transferred. He transfers me to a guy which I talked to for 30 seconds, which the guy determines that he can't help me, but he does have he actually transferred me to the department who's working on it. So we will see. So hopefully when I get that apartment, and they said it was a 16-minute hold time when he transferred me, and that was probably 5 minutes ago. So we're an hour in, and we're a week in actually to this issue, but an hour into me trying to get somebody on the phone that can actually do something. So we will see. All right, so update. I just got done with GoDaddy. They say they sent it to Microsoft and they can't do anything. And Microsoft could take up to 10 days to fix the issue. So, according to them, they only sent it yesterday, and we're already 6 days in at that point when they supposedly were supposed to have sent it earlier, but they only sent it yesterday. So the next step is I am going to call and bug some people at Microsoft to see if I can get this issue resolved sooner than later. All right. We'll go from there. Okay. So spent 4+ hours this morning trying to get GoDaddy and Microsoft to actually work, and still hasn't gotten that fixed. And then I had to rush over to Arizona City to meet a client to look at a house. So just got back from that. I am in line to pick up the girls, and then I am going to go write an offer for that client, and then we will go over and meet my wife when she gets off work, because it's her birthday, and we're going to go out for her birthday. So busy evening. So I will try to take you guys along. And thank you.
Happy birthday, I can't see it. I don't tell her.
We can do a quick unboxing.
Oh, it's not that easy.
All right, you want to wait?
But now. Apple was. I told you it's apple color. It's an apple. It's an apple.
It's a red one.
Why is there so many apples? Oh, which box?
Hold on. See what we got? There's an actual watch.
And the cord. And there's a band.
Hopefully it's in there. Oh, in this part.
Maybe in the other box, yeah.
That part there.
Nice.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. Yep.
Oh, it's in the sleeve right now. Yeah. Okay, we'll take it out.
And band. So you got the watch, the band, and the power cord is what came with it?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Batteries in it. I don't know, maybe it didn't have any power.
Tell me what you're feeling right now. Tell me that you don't feel the same. Are you getting lonely right now? You told me you feel cold without him around. Lend me your heart, I'll fix the pain. Lend me your heart, I'll take the blame. So just forget the past. You don't need to go back to where we used to be. You know that this fading won't last. So just forget the past. It reminds us how we used to be.